Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE. Guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and sharing and telling a friend to tell another friend. Yeah, so that guys, we can grow together. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and may God bless you abundantly. Let it be peace, love, and positive vibes. Guys, this place is so cold. So cold, a lot of cold is here, guys. So being a beautiful morning, Friday morning, guys, uh, going to the next destination, guys. Are you ready for that? So guys, we had a beautiful night here at this beautiful place here, this beautiful compound. Guys, this house is built of stones. See how they build their houses here. It's built of stones. And imagine this house is so big, and it is Coco's house. So it is very, very big, very much big, guys. So you can see from here, and they have the cows here in the morning. The house is so big and looking very nice, guys. So, and also the cows over there, they are grazing. They are out in the morning grazing, guys. So being in the morning and being going somewhere to the next destination, yeah, we have to take breakfast so that we can move together, guys, to the next destination. So this is the outside kitchen here. Yeah, so it's made of iron sheet, but this is one of the best. Even the timbers are the best ones here. So this is how the kitchen looks like. Coco, salimia Madam Grace. Say,
Grace, napika. Habari asubuhi. Niko mzima.
Sawa.
Tunashughulika waende.
Yes. Yeah. So unapika nini?
Napikia magogotu nyama hapa.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so this is 3 stones, like just at home in the village. Hata sisi huko nyumbani tunatumia hii mafiga hiyo. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Yes, so guys, let's go in and take breakfast before we leave. So this is how this place looks like. You know, this is for a small chicken. This one. Yeah, so, and the tank is there for water. Yeah, big tank. Wow. And the farm here, what guys I like about here a lot is the farm here, how it's like very green, and everything is on point. So yeah, avocados, everything. Yeah, so guys, being on a rush, so let's finish up with the breakfast, then we are leaving. So this is the kitchen. It's supposed to be the kitchen here. Yeah, sitting room is here, guys. Dining, and we have Gutu here taking chapati and tea. Yes, Mambo, how are you? What's your name? Sharon.
Yeah.
Oh, Sharon, you are cooking chapati.
Yes.
Yes, chapati. I don't know how you call them wherever you're watching me from.
Shabashi.
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 Oh, here they call it shabashi. Shabashi. Here they call it shabashi. Yeah, and in our village we call it it's chabati. It's chabati.
Nyinyi mnaita chabati.
It's chabati.
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 Na sisi tunasema shabashi.
Oh, shabashi.
Shabashi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how they make the chapatis here. Yes. Pope, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah. I'm enjoying this new environment.
Yeah.
Despite the cold weather, but I think it's a very, very nice place to be. You know, it's there is no noise compared to where we're coming from.
Yes.
There's a lot of noise there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but here it's very cool.
Yeah.
I enjoy.
Yeah, so guys, we are enjoying here our breakfast before we leave to the next destination. We have Gutu here. Gutu, how was your night? Cold.
My friend. My friend. The coldness of this place. Hey.
Yes.
And you know me, I ignore to carry a sweater
Yes.
because I thought this place is very hot. So it's beyond the imagination what I have suffered through. Hey. So that's it, family. We are here
Yes.
taking some tea, chapel time.
Yes.
Yes. After that, we go flex our muscle out there now.
Yes.
Yes. Now it will be duty calls. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is Gutu. Kindly go check him out, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to Road to Success. And we have Kudu,
Hi,
top mason. Yes.
hi people. Me, I am Kudu. Today, I am Kudu, your maka. Special for job. Sasa hivi tunakunywa chai.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, this is Pope Africa. The light over there is
Yeah, light, but I think when I stand here, I'll be much visible, right?
yeah.
Yes, so guys, me personally, I'm done with taking breakfast, and actually, I'm full. I think that can sustain me till lunch.
Yes, till lunchtime, then you take lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm so grateful. Guys, I also have a YouTube channel. Go check out Pope Africa. Have amazing videos about the village. But unfortunately, guys, or fortunately, I'm from off the village to another. I don't know if this is the village or town, but I'll let you people know in my next video too.
Yeah. So guys, go check out on Pope. Subscribe, guys. Show love. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Yeah. So guys, let me check my tea. Then we leave to the next destination, guys. This is amazing. We have a lot of destination to go to, or rather to visit. So we really have to do it so fast so that we can finish also so fast. Yeah. Keep on tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, on our way to our next destination, guys. So we are here. Gutu is in front because he can't fit behind here. Yes, so guys, we are moving, and I can see a swamp somewhere. I don't know if it's a swamp or a dam, not a swamp. Wow. Look at this. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Very nice. So guys, we are moving to our next destination. Yeah, so keep on tuned. Yo guys, we are here in, I think you guys can guess now this place. Yes. Have you ever been here before?
Not really. I've passed, but I've not been here. I've never been. Or maybe dropping here and do like a little bit of shopping. I've never.
Okay. Gutu, umewahi kukua hapa? Hujawahi kufika?
Leo ndo siku yangu ya kwanza.
Na Gutu?
Well, me, I've passed here once.
Yes.
That is back in 2012.
And today I do see it's a very big city.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So guys.
The
Yeah.
Maasai people you see.
Yes.
And Karanaro.
Enkara. Narok. This is where you stop when yeah, we are now in our town and our next destination, guys. And we have a stadium here, Ole. I don't know if you can see it here very good. Olentimama. William Olentimama Stadium. I don't know if you can see it well. Yes, William Olentimama Stadium. Yeah. Wow. So guys, we are just moving. Yeah, guys. Finally in this destination again, guys. See how this place is. This is where they sell like timbers, like poles for fencing. And also this place, this is southern, like it's dusty here so much. This is western plots. Yeah, western, not western. South Thrift Properties, prime plots for sale, 50 by 100. Yeah, so guys, here we have plots to buy. Guys, this is how it is. Yeah, you can see even Poppy over here is
The
yeah.
only problem with this area is about the wind and also the weather. So
Yeah.
dusty.
So dusty, yeah.
Like for me,
There's a dusty place and there's a cold place, and
place,
yeah.
Where we came from in the morning
Yeah.
is quite different with this place here because
Very
there was
much
so
different.
cold, but here it's
Yeah.
sunny, dry.
Yeah,
Like,
you can see even right now we are not putting on our jackets.
Yeah.
I don't know if the light is here. So we have to be careful here. So guys, this is where we are. They call it, there's Mara Real Estate Limited, there's Prime,
prime and I think
Yeah.
this place is called
K24.
Yeah.
Yeah, and guys, we have K24 like a news broadcast
Yeah.
in Kenya. So K24, I don't know if they got the name from that channel for the news, or the news got the name from here. So we don't know, guys, but we are just taking a walk and showing you how this place looks like. And also you can come and invest here, guys. So there's something that brought us here, which we are going to show you. Yeah. So, and also we have to be very much careful.
People here, the speed that they are riding the motorcycle, it's in a very high speed.
Yeah.
So you have to be much careful.
And you remember when the time we were going this way, a tuk-tuk came with a very high speed, and this place is dusty, so we are like, oh, have mercy, you know. Yeah.
But it's good. It's good
Yeah,
for a
it's
new environment. You know,
Yeah.
it's good. It's an exposure. Like to me, actually, it's a good exposure because I've never been in this kind of environment.
Yeah,
So
me
at least I have a story to go back home and tell people that that place, man, that
Yeah.
place.
Yes,
Yeah,
that place is good. So we have a chance also today to explore a lot of things here. We have estates, real estates. Yeah, you know, I have to like clean my camera every time because of dust, guys, but don't worry, keep watching because you're going to see what you've never seen. Yeah, we have real estates here, and people are building houses everywhere that you pass, just even 2 meters.
And I've realized in some years to come, like 2 to 3 years,
Yes.
this place will be so beautiful. Like it will be all built
Yeah.
by very beautiful houses.
Yeah, for sure.
Because the kind of construction sites that are here are so many.
Yeah.
So many. You can see
From
that.
where we are from.
Yeah.
Guys, see the road where it is. Like we are from down there, like we are from there. So we are just walking, trying to explore this place, how it is here. I see a very beautiful building over there.
There's a very beautiful flat.
Flat.
Yeah.
I would like to live in a place like that flat, guys. I don't know if you can see it from this point. Yeah. So we are going this way. Wow. Yeah.
Maybe you should
Go
There's a-
fast
yeah.
because of music copyright over there. Yeah, so guys, this is a place to come and get a land, build a dream house. And the Poppy would do like maybe to build a dream house
Yeah,
here.
sure. It's one of my biggest dream
Yeah.
that one day I'll come and build my own house.
Yeah.
My dream house. And I believe in God, you know.
Yes, everything is possible.
Everything is possible when you believe and work hard.
Yeah.
Work
You know-
extra hard.
Yeah. And you know, guys, like just me and Poppy decided let's just take a walk, and this is our first time here. We really doesn't know the way.
You forgot?
I've forgotten.
No, me when I pass somewhere,
Eh,
I can never forget your past.
okay.
Yeah.
So it was our first time passing here,
Yeah.
but now I think we are good to go. We can't get lost, guys. So yeah, let's go and see. Huh?
Hey, there are so many beautiful houses over there.
Wow, see from this angle, guys. I don't know if you can see the other end
Yeah.
over there,
Flats.
how beautiful it is. Yeah, and the flats also here. I think this is an estate,
Yeah.
a locked estate. So you're looking at
No, I really fear dogs.
even me.
Dogs really,
Dogs are not
really dangerous. If
very,
they
very
don't
much.
know you, most of here in Africa,
Yeah.
when a dog doesn't know you,
Yes.
barks on you, maybe if you try to fight it, it bites you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not fight it, like throw a stone or beat it.
Yeah.
You can't fight a dog. When you
There are people who fight a dog, others fight can even Solomon fought with a lion.
Yeah. That was fighting now.
Yeah.
Like physically.
Physically.
Wow. Wow, guys.
There's a
See?
stretch here.
Yeah. It's kind of an estate, but it's not. I don't think.
I love the flats.
Yeah.
They're so neat.
Yes.
Very neat.
And it's gated from
Yeah.
this point. Yeah.
Actually, it's really surrounded with that. Wow.
Are you sure Poppy it's here?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Guys, let's move. See another construction here
Yeah.
going
You
on.
know, this place you cannot walk more than 100 meters without finding construction taking place.
Yeah.
Like we've just shown the one there.
Yes.
And this is the second one. Wow.
Constructing.
Yeah.
And the good thing, or the best thing here, they construct using
The
stones.
Yeah.
A lot of stones.
Yeah, you know, at our place, these things are so much expensive, but
Yeah.
here, I think it's the cheaper.
Yeah, cheapest. So I don't know if they harvest the stones here or what. And I
think
don't
so.
know how they
So you see,
make the shape. Yeah, so you can see houses here. A lot of them are built with stones, guys. Yeah. So this is a very big. It's called
a flat.
flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, a very big one. Yeah. And I believe when we have like one like this, but the village it can't fit, guys.
Yeah.
It can't fit in the village.
If you want to invest, maybe some places like this.
Mm.
No, and this is an outcast of Narok.
Yeah.
Narok town.
Yes.
But you see, Narok is a town whereby the business is taking place well.
Yes.
People are the circulation of money is
Yeah,
good.
it's
compared
good,
to the
very good,
villas.
yes.
So that's why people are trying very hard to invest at the outcast. Yeah, you you can't have a building like this
Yeah.
at the town. At the center.
The center,
at the
yes.
CBD.
Unless
central
it's a business.
Yeah, it's a
house.
If it's a business house, you are allowed, but living at the central business district,
Yeah.
CBD, is not allowed actually.
Yes. It's not allowed. So guys, you will forgive us because we have to clean our camera every now and then because of the dust. So guys, we are finally here. We are finally here, guys. Yes. The birds. I like these trees. See how the birds have built.
You know,
See.
nobody's really love this kind of trees because
Yeah.
by the okay, to my knowledge, I learned that this kind of trees
Yeah.
always grows in a dry area.
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
I don't know
sure.
if it's correct, but you guys
Yeah.
you can tell us below the comment section.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like cactus. How is it called? Cactus or what? Maybe I've just forgot the name of this tree.
Yeah. And also, I think the cheetah likes trees like this.
Cheetah.
Yes.
I don't
They
know.
climb.
Oh,
Yeah.
they climb. But how can they climb?
Yeah,
when
they
it's
do.
Full of thorns.
Gutu told me they don't fear thorns. These thorns are they
They're
are very
full
sharp.
of thorns, and they're really. Be careful.
Eh?
Be careful when they creep your leg.
Yeah.
They're really.
I think even they are poisonous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
But
poisonous.
it's okay. Look, Pope's legs.
Yes, you may
Yeah.
think I'm at the beach.
Yeah. Me and my gumboots here. Yes. So guys, we are here, and this is where we are going to do something else. Yes, something else in this. It's an estate or what? Yeah. Maybe call it an estate. And this is our transportation today, guys. Yeah, very nice car, very comfortable. Yeah, very nice.
I love the Serenity Complex.
Yeah, Serenity Complex.
Yeah, that building is so
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah,
I
Serenity
love the place.
Complex
I really love
over
this
there.
place.
A very and it's decorated.
Yeah.
The decos. See, Serenity.
You know, at first I thought it's a hotel.
Yes, it looks like a hotel,
Yeah,
but it's a what?
A flat that
A
people-
flat apartment. Yes.
Apartment, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, we have Kudu here. Yes. So today finally we are showing you what we are going to do here. So we have Kudu here. Kudu.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Kazi imeanza.
Kazi imeanza.
Yes.
Naona tunataka tuanzie hii pila ya kwanza,
Yes.
ya pili katikati, ya tatu mwisho.
Yes.
Hiyo ndo kazi ambayo tutafanya leo.
Mm.
Hiyo tunataka tuanze, yuko tayari kuanza.
Yeah.
Anza kuchimba.
Mhm.
Kuchimba.
Mm.
Tutasuka nondo.
Mhm.
Sasa suka nondo tunapiga box.
Yes.
Tutamimina zege wanahiyo watajua.
Yes.
Tutamimina zege.
They say zege hailali.
Zege
You-
ila
The
itakorogwa.
ballast, like the ballast mixed, so it can't slip. So if you mix it, you must finish up with it. So that is zege. So Gutu is saying that we have just started. This is the first pillar we are going to make here, and then another one in the middle, and then another one at the far end, so that this land can be secured, guys. So guess this land, it's for you guys can guess. And we have Gutu here. You see now Gutu has us. This is called what is that?
They already know.
Yes.
So family, this me go to the widow, firstborn of the elephant, Mr. Ling Way, take to take, but a man can try speed the wood back out and manasak. So we are in this side. Duty calls, and Major just brought us here
Yes.
to do some little job.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we wanna start it though. it's very late.
Mm-hmm.
It's very late because
where we came from, it was far.
yeah,
also.
where we came from also is a very far distance.
Yeah.
And also the work materials are still being organized.
Yeah.
So it's very late, because you can tell, you see the sun. Also you can tell by our shade.
Yes.
It's almost past noon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we want to try our best to start digging this so that we will set those pillars. So as we wait them to bring the materials,
Yeah.
we want to start the work so that it will be an indication that there is something has started here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we just want to do land marking here, territory marking. Stay tuned for a lot more.
Yes.
Check Mingutu Road to 5,000 Kalen. I will really appreciate.
Yes. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Gutu, let me help you a bit. Yes. So guys, let's see.
So imagine you can guess what actually we've come to do here. That is Maja. We have Gutu over here. Maybe you can say something.
Hey.
Oh, you're holding someone's camera. Oh, you're holding Maja's
Yeah, there's
camera.
one for mine.
I can help you. Yes. Let me help Gutu, guys, so that.
Why are you so exhausted? Like within 2 minutes, you're so much exhausted.
No, I'm not exhausted.
Yeah.
You said that you want to talk to Gutu,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
yes,
You have grabbed the opportunity.
yes,
Yeah?
You know, this is
Yes.
the first time Gutu appears in my camera.
Yeah.
Say something. Yeah. I've never
What are
done
you
it.
saying? For the first
For
time?
the first time.
I have no issue. We are brothers.
Yeah, sure.
So this is me. Go to the video first one on the telephone. Mr. Anyway, just to take, but a man can try. With the work up, 10 manasako. It's another day. As you
Yeah.
can see, we are here in a certain place. You will all know it. Check it through Maja's place.
Yeah.
yes,
And we came here for the work.
Yeah, actually, this is
Yeah.
kind of work.
Yes, and we want to start to do this marking.
yeah. So guys, the marking is here. Yeah, guys. So Kudu is trying to mark the territory here. Hey. Wow. So this is 50 by 100 or 48 or yeah, something. Yes. So that is how we mark locally in Africa. Yes. So you need a stick.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hapo.
Huh? I help you. Okay, so guys, we're trying to mark. This is how we mark locally. Yes. Yeah, just see how this string is straight, guys. I don't know if you can see it up to where Gutu is standing. Yes, that's how straight it is. Yeah. So from here up to where Gutu is standing.
Na nini?
Actual measurement of this land.
Yeah.
That's the top marking engineer. Kudu.
Yeah. Hi.
That's Kudu. That is the top marking. So here we are.
Yeah, so guys, actually we are done with the holes over here from this end over here. Guys, don't worry, we are just tired, you know. And yeah, it's here this hole from this end to, also we needed another hole in the middle here. Yeah, one. So for to this end also, and also to the other end, and also we are trying to make some now the hizi zinaitwaga hizi timber, so the box timber, so that we can pour the concrete inside. So Kudu is trying to make the I don't know how they call it. No guys, I'm not a mason. I'm trying to know some things, so we're trying to make this, then we put them on these holes, yeah, so that they can be strong enough. Yeah, see guys, is it a real estate that you are trying to do here in Narok? Guys, you can guess what is going to happen here. Yeah, so this is the first job for Gutu and Pope and Maja. Yeah, so we are trying to also do the concrete. Yeah, so guys, let's wait and see how the outcome will be. Oh, sorry. And of course, the timbers will not be removed today, so maybe they will be removed after maybe 1 week. Mbao zinafaa kutolewa after kesho. Oh, so I'm told the timbers we can remove them even tomorrow morning. So yeah, the work is going on very well, very well. Yeah, so this is the first job here for Gutu. Let's see how it goes, guys. Keep watching. Okay.
Yes.
How was the day?
The day is good. I'm experiencing new things. It's good to learn, actually. It's good to learn. Yeah. I think by the end of this, I'll be able to do my own villa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your own villa by your own.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is how we are doing it, guys. So guys, this is the part that is remaining. Then we fill up these pillars over here. Yeah, the pillars are already standing, so we'll fill up the pillars, then maybe tomorrow we can trying to mix the zege. This one for sure, guys, I can't do it. I can't lie to you. This one is so hard. You see, it's only Gutu who can do it. Eh? Pope Africa.
Have you ever done this?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes.
When?
Okay.
I don't think it's that light. Very easy. How many buckets?
Let me help you. Wait.
No, I'm not good, but I'm trying. Done.
Wow, so guys, we are done with this kind of pillars. Yeah, so this is how it is done, so much straight. Yeah, so this is how it has been done, guys. Yes, from that point. Yeah. Whoa. Yes, so guys, that is how we have done it. So I want to say thank you so much for always coming, watching our video. Peace and love, positive vibes. Until our next video, guys. Is it a real estate? Let's see it in the next few days. Peace and love. Until our next video.